In this video, I'm going to show you how to get buy and sell indicators on TradingView Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your chart on TradingView Mobile, and you want to go to the bottom right of your chart where you can see the three dots. So you want to tap on those three dots to open up the Analysis Hub, and you want to scroll down to Tools, and you want to tap here on Indicators. When you are inside Indicators, you want to go to the Search tab up top, and you want to type in Buy and Sell, okay? Now over here, it's going to give you a bunch of different buy and sell indicators from the community. So there's a bunch of different ones. You can of course test them out and see what you like. I'm just going to tap on this first one over here. And as you can see, it says strategy added to chart. If I go back to my chart by tapping the X button top right, there we go. As you can see, I have the buy and sell indicator on my chart right now. Now, of course, you can go and add multiple as well and see which ones suit you the most. So I'm going to go and add, for example, this one, the second one over here as well. As you can see, it's going to get added to my chart too, and something like this. Okay, so that's how to get the buy and sell indicators. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.